Once upon a time, in a whimsical land of numbers and shapes, a group of curious friends set out on an adventure aboard the magical number train. This train was not an ordinary one. It traveled through enchanted landscapes, where each car held exciting puzzles and riddles to solve. The friends Lucy the lion, Danny the duck, and Timmy the turtle were thrilled as they boarded the train, ready for a day full of fun and challenges. As soon as they settled into their cozy seats, the train conductor, Mr. Whimsical, approached them with a twinkle in his eye. "Welcome aboard, young adventurers. I hope you're ready for a challenge. This train will take you on a journey, but to continue moving forward, you must solve the magical number puzzles in each car." "We're ready," Lucy roared confidently, her mane shining as she stood tall. "Let's do it," quacked Danny, flapping his wings eagerly. Timmy the turtle nodded thoughtfully, adjusting his little hat. "Together, we can solve anything." With that, the train chugged forward, its whistle blowing a joyful tune. The first car was shiny and filled with colorful number balloons floating around. A big sign hung in the center: "Solve the puzzle to move forward." The friends gathered around the sign, where they discovered a riddle. "I am an odd number. Take away one letter, and I become even. What number am I?" Lucy scratched her head while Danny quacked. I think I've heard this before." After a moment of thought, Timmy exclaimed, "It's the number 7. "Great job, Timmy," Lucy cheered, and as they shouted out the answer, the balloons began to shimmer and pop, revealing the way to the next car. As they entered the second car, they found themselves in a colorful garden filled with flowers shaped like numbers. In the center stood a puzzle board with pieces missing. "We need to create the magic number pattern to unlock the door," Lucy announced. "Look, it's a pattern. 1, 2, 3, what comes next?" Danny pointed out, trying to arrange the flower numbers. After some discussion, the friends realized the next number was 4. "It's a growing pattern. Let's place the 4 flower in the center," Timmy said excitedly. When they placed the flower in the right spot, the door to the next car magically opened. In the third car, they were greeted by a giant clock with moving hands and numbers scattered everywhere. Suddenly, the clock chimed, and Mr. Whimsical appeared on the screen. "To escape this car, you must piece together the numbers to unlock the treasure chest." "Look at the clock. It has numbers on it," called Danny. "We need to set the time to solve this puzzle." Working together, they carefully observed the clock's position. "The hands are pointing to 3 and 6, said Lucy. "That means we need to put the numbers 3 and 6 in the chest." When they placed the numbers into the chest, it clicked to open, revealing a magical key. "We need this key to get to the next car," Timmy exclaimed, his eyes gleaming with excitement. As they entered the next car, they found themselves in a room filled with colorful candy-shaped numbers. At the center table was a giant lollipop with a new challenge. "If you add me to 8, then the result is a double-digit number. What number am I?" Lucy thought hard. "Let's see. We need to come up with a number that, when we add it to 8, gives us 2 digits. I've got it. The answer is 3, because 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Danny quacked, jumping in delight. Excitedly, they shouted the answer, and the lollipop changed colors, revealing a pathway to the final car. "We're almost there," Lucy cheered. In the final car, they were greeted by a big, beautifully decorated treasure chest, but it was locked tight. The chest bore a final riddle. "I am a number between 1 and 10. I'm the result of 5 multiplied by 3. What number am I?" Timmy furrowed his brows, thinking aloud. "That would be 15, but that's not between 1 and 10.